I'm back for another product review. I'm reviewing another household product that you might like and you might want to get. So definitely, if you find this video informative and you want to get this product, I've got the link below in the description. Let's get it. Alright, you guys, I want to introduce you to the Monocular Telescope. It's high quality. Basically, it's by Starscope. 12 by 14 high power HD monocular with a smartphone holder and tripod. Prism IPX7 waterproof for bird watching, camping, hunting, and spotting activities. It's a nice little telescope. See all the attachments that come with it. You can also hook your cell phone up to make pictures from far, far away where you can't get close. It's for adults. Equipped the 50mm FMC green coated lens. All those elements of this monocular provide high definition images and accurate color rendition. Is a good addition for any bird watching, hunting, hiking, camping, or sightseeing, etc. It can be connected with the smartphone attachment on the back to take pictures and videos. Explore the nature of the world easily through this screen. The phone adapter is suitable for most phone models. So let's get into it, you guys. Let's get the unboxing and see what we got. Alright, inside the box, it says high quality telescope, perfect for bird watching, sporting events, racing events, sports events. Also, it says right here, do not point directly into the sun and it may damage your eyes. Let's open this up and see what we got here. Nice box right here. Of course, inside we have the instructions. So in here, you have a pouch, an eyepiece cover, object lens cover, the instructions which are here. You have a phone clip, a monocular strap, cleaning cloth, and a tripod. So let's see what we got. Right off the gate, looks like we have the actual monocular here. It's inside a plastic bag. Let's put that on the side. Here's the pouch that holds it. Inside the nice little pouch here, we have the actual monocular. Here's the size of it right here. 12 by 50, it zooms in 12 by 50 right here on the top of it. Right on the top, we have the lens cover. Here's the lens cover. Inside there's the objective lens, and you see it's kind of green, if you can see that green. Here's the focus adjustment on it right here. On the back side of that, we got the back cap, and then we have the ocular lens right here where you can see through. Also, nice rubber fit number sole, and then underneath here we have the monocular strap. And if you take this strap off like so, this is where you're going to be able to mount the tripod. So you got the screw right there to mount the tripod. So let's sit this on the side for now. And let's see what else is in here. Alright, here's the adapter. Here's the adapter here for the cell phone. And I'm going to show you how that works. And you put your cell phone in here and it sits on there. So this is the phone clip. Next up. And we have the cleaning cloth. And we have the tripod. Here's the tripod that comes with it there. Nice tripod. Open that up. Sit that. And you can have that balance right there. Bring this over. Oh yeah, this is for a quick cleanup. And once you do that, as you can see, you bring this right here. And you just turn that. And now, as you can see, you've got your monoscope right here on that. Now, this is the front lens, as I say. That's how it looks there. This is the adjustments. I'm going to show you guys how it looks with the phone clip on it. But basically, to set the phone clip on it, alright, the way you set your phone up, you take the phone adapter. As you can see, you have a little piece here. You take this piece off. That's going to be in there. You screw this to the end of this adapter here. Just screw that there. And then your phone, this is the sideways mode, but when you, so this is the way you want it, like this, so that the ends open up like that. Then you have to go to your phone and locate where your camera is. My camera is right there. That's just the flash, that's the camera. So you have to make sure that you have that lined up so your camera is coming through there. So what you're going to do is, once you put your phone in the holder, like so, see right now, that's too low, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen this up, and then I'm going to slide this down until I see the camera right there, and then I'm just going to tighten that up. So as you can see, now my camera is coming through the hole, and this is the phone holder right there. That's how that looks. So next thing I want to do is you bring this over. I'll see if I can do it on the tripod. But basically, once you have that lined up, you're going to put that over the end like so. Make sure that's tight. That's nice and snug. This is better. This is actually better, you guys, when you can have the tripod on it, but you wanna have it like, there you go. There you go. So now, when you go to your camera, see that's front view. So when you go to your camera, as you can see, there we go. So as I focus in, so let's say like you got it on the tripod, like so. And now you can see, as I pan around, I'm zoomed in. So now I could take a video right now of something far, far away, zoomed in. And then I could even do it, we could do it down here as I look out. So as you see, I'm all the way down the hallway there. You know, you can zoom in. So you can take video or pictures with this thing. It's pretty neat. I like it. And this is the review. Like I say, definitely make sure you guys click the link down below. I will have a special offer. You click this link and you can get yourself the Monocular Telescope. Is real nice to have. Wide, normal lens. You can. He's good for having at the games and everything. It'd be real good for like a sporting event. This is real nice. And then, like I say, you want to take that off, just pop that off. You make sure you cover your lens up front, cover your lens up back, and you can just carry it around. You can carry it around like so. And then now you know you can take it with you. Boom, you want to sightsee. If you're in a high-rise building, you can you know be peeping Tom. If you want to be peeping Tom, anything you want to do. So make sure you guys pick this Monocular Telescope up. Is real nice. The link is below. Definitely click it. And I'll see you guys on the next review.